Forget everything you thought you knew about action cameras. Seriously, just wipe the slate clean. For the last 10 years, we have all accepted a lie. We have accepted that compromises are just part of the deal. We have accepted that if you want to film your life, you have to deal with grainy, noisy footage the second the sun goes down. We have accepted that good stabilization means the video looks a little bit artificial and warped. We have been told over and over again that to get true cinematic quality, you need a big, heavy, expensive camera. We have been told that good enough is the best we can get in a body this small. Well, good enough just died. A new challenger has emerged from the shadows, and the details that have just leaked don't just challenge the current king of action cameras. They are here to completely dethrone the king. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6, and it is terrified of nothing. How many times have you been out in the world trying to capture a memory? Maybe you were filming that perfect sunset over the ocean. Maybe you were riding your bike through a dense forest where the light was cutting through the trees. Or maybe it was just a late-night campfire with your friends. You think you got the shot. You feel good about it. But then you get home. You put the footage on your computer, and your heart sinks. It is a noisy, pixelated mess. The shadows are crushed. The details are gone. It looks like it was filmed on a potato. How many times have you missed the shot completely because you had to fumble around with a bulky plastic waterproof case? You had to unlatch it, wipe the fog off, and by the time you were ready, the moment was gone. We have all been there. We spend hundreds of dollars on the latest and greatest cameras, promising ourselves that this time, the footage will look cinematic. But it never quite does. The sensors have always been too small. The lenses have always been too simple. Until now, the new leaks regarding the Osmo Action 6 confirm what we were all secretly hoping for. This is not just an update. This is not just a fresh coat of paint and new logo. It is a weapon. DJI is changing the physics of the action camera market. We're talking about the inclusion of a massive 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor. Now, for those of you who don't speak camera nerd, let me translate that for you. That is a sensor size we normally see in high-end professional drones. It is the kind of sensor that belongs in a dedicated prosumer camera, not something you can fit in your pocket. This is a massive leap forward from the tiny sensors we are used to. What does this mean for you? It means light. It means loads of light. It means that those evening surf sessions are now crystal clear. It means those bike trails under a canopy of trees are sharp and vibrant. It means those city streets at dusk look like a movie, not a security camera feed. This sensor captures detail in the shadows, not just digital noise. We are talking about 38 megapixels of pure, raw information. This isn't just better low-light performance. This is night and day. It is the difference between a home video and a cinema production. But here's the thing. A big sensor is only half the story. And frankly, it is not even the most exciting part of this leak. The real killer feature, the one that should make every other camera company sweat, is the lens. Specifically, the variable aperture lens. The leaks point to a lens system that can mechanically change from f/2.0 to f/4.0. This is unheard of in the action camera world. This is technology that usually costs thousands of dollars. Why does this matter? Let me explain it simply. On a bright, sunny day, a normal action camera is stuck with its lens wide open. It lets in too much light. To compensate, the camera has to crank up the shutter speed to insane levels. This results in footage that looks choppy. It looks jittery. It looks unnatural. It lacks that smooth motion blur that makes movies look like movies. To fix this on an old camera, you have to buy ND filters. You have to screw them on and off. It is a hassle. With the Action 6, you don't need to do that. You simply stop the lens down to f/4.0. This physically limits the light. It gives you a sharper image across the frame. It prevents that ugly overexposure. And for the first time ever, it gives you the ability to get natural, cinematic motion blur straight out of the camera without needing to carry a pocket full of glass. Filters. But then, the sun goes down. The light fades. On any other camera, you would be in trouble. But with the Action 6, you just open that aperture up to f/2.0. You let all that light flood onto that massive new sensor. This is creative control. This is versatility. It is like having two professional lenses built into one tiny, rugged body. You are ready for the beach at noon, and you are ready for the bonfire at midnight. And it doesn't stop there. The leaks confirm that this beast is built for speed. We are hearing reports of 4K recording at 120 frames per second. Yes, crystal clear, buttery smooth slow motion in full 4K resolution. We're not talking about 2.7K. We're not talking about a cropped, lower quality version. We're talking about the full image. And for those who need truly extreme slow motion, for the skaters and the surfers and the motocross riders, it is reportedly handling 1080p at 240 frames per second. That slows down reality to a crawl. You can see every drop of water. You can see every speck of dirt. Combine this speed with the next generation of stabilization. DJI is bringing Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady to this camera. This means footage that isn't just stable. It looks like it was shot on a multi-$1,000 gimbal setup. No more micro jitters. No more weird, floaty-looking video. Just smooth, stable, professional motion. Even if you're running, biking, or falling, the horizon stays perfectly level. It defies gravity. But DJI knows something important. They know that incredible specs are useless if the camera is a pain to use. A camera is a tool. It is not just a spec sheet. And this tool is built for the real world. The leaks claim a staggering 20 meters of water resistance. That is 66 feet underwater without a case. Think about that for a second. No more fumbling with bulky plastic housings. No more worrying if you sealed the latch correctly. No more audio being muffled by a thick plastic shell. You just jump. You dive. You get caught in a monsoon. The camera simply does not care. It is built to withstand the elements, not just observe them from a safe plastic box. It is freedom. And the whole package? It weighs just 149 grams. It is featherlight. You won't even know it is on your helmet until you see the footage later. It is designed to disappear so you can focus on the action. So, let's put this all together. For years, the action camera market has been a one-horse race. GoPro set the standard, and everyone else just tried to keep up. They fought for second place. But this isn't keeping up. This is a direct shot at the throne. While other companies are making small, iterative updates, a slight sensor tweak here, a new software mode there, DJI is fundamentally changing the hardware. They are changing the physics of what is possible. A 1/1.1-inch sensor combined with a mechanical variable aperture lens is not an update. It is an entirely new class of camera. This forces every other manufacturer to go back to the drawing board. If these leaks are true, the DJI Osmo Action 6 won't just be the best action camera for low light. It won't just be the best action camera for stabilization. It might just be the best action camera, period. The days of saying it's good for an action cam are over. The new standard is simply, it's a good camera. The official announcement is just around the corner. And while these are still leaks, the evidence is mounting every single day. The king is nervous. The crown is slipping. The question is no longer if you will upgrade your action camera. The question is what you will be upgrading to. The Osmo Action 6 is positioning itself as the ultimate tool for creators. Whether you're a vlogger who needs good audio and a front screen, or an adrenaline junkie who needs rugged durability, this camera checks every box. It solves the pain points we have complained about for a decade. It listens to the users. Imagine capturing the night sky in a time-lapse that actually shows the stars, not just noise. Imagine filming a vlog in a dimly lit restaurant without looking like a ghost. Imagine switching from bright sun to dark shade without your footage falling apart. This is the promise of the Action 6. It is rare that a piece of technology feels like a generational leap. Usually, we get 10% faster, 10% brighter. But bringing mechanical aperture and near 1-inch sensors to the action form factor is a 100% leap. It bridges the gap between a RU, GED cam, and a cinema cam. As we wait for the official drop, the excitement is palpable. The forums are buzzing. The competitors are scrambling. This is the shake-up the industry needed. We have been comfortable with mediocrity for too long. DJI is waking us up. So, are you ready to ditch the grain? Are you ready to stop carrying ND filters? Are you ready for a camera that can go 60 feet underwater naked? The future of action cameras is arriving, and it looks absolutely incredible. My best opinion on this product. Honestly, this is the most exciting development in the camera world this year. The variable aperture is the absolute game changer here. I cannot stress enough how annoying it is to carry ND filters for an action camera. You lose them, they get scratched, or you are too lazy to put them on and your footage suffers. Having that mechanical control built in changes the workflow completely. It allows you to maintain that cinematic 180-degree shutter rule much easier. Combined with a sensor that is practically 1 inch, this kills the need for a separate night camera. If DJI nails the color science on this, GoPro is in serious trouble. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a new benchmark. Ultra. If you like this video and want to stay updated on the official release, the confirmed specs, and the first real-world tests of the Osmo Action 6, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your camera buddies who are still struggling with noisy footage, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The revolution is coming, and you'll want to be ready. Thanks for watching.